Why is Samsung treating its foldable phones differently from its flagship Galaxy S25 series? That's the question many users are asking after noticing a key difference in the One UI 7 beta update. While this latest software doesn't bring massive visual changes, it does fix a frustrating issue with the now bar on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6, something that hasn't been addressed on other devices. For those who don't know, the now bar is a feature that keeps track of ongoing activities like calls, timers, navigation, and media playback. It appears as a small pill-shaped icon on the status bar and lock screen, offering quick access to important tasks. But strangely, Samsung has placed limitations on the Now bar for the Galaxy S25 series and other devices running One UI 7 from the start. One of the biggest complaints has been the missing media playback pill. Normally, when you play music or a video, a small icon should appear, allowing instant access to playback controls. But on the Galaxy S25 and some of the latest A-series phones, that pill is nowhere to be found. To make things worse, the standard media playback widget that used to be in the notification panel is also gone. Now, the only way to control media is by pulling down the quick panel, adding an unnecessary extra step. Surprisingly, this problem has been present in the One UI 7 beta for the Galaxy S24 series as well. Many users assumed Samsung would fix it before rolling out the final update, but that hasn't happened. This has left a lot of people frustrated, especially those who rely on the Now bar for quick and easy media control. But here's where things get interesting. On the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6, the Now bar and media playback widget work exactly as they should. The media pill appears in the status bar when music or videos are playing, and the traditional playback widget is back in the notification panel. This raises an important question. Why do these foldable devices have the full functionality while the Galaxy S25 series doesn't, despite running the same One UI 7 software? There doesn't seem to be a technical reason for this inconsistency. It's possible that Samsung is still working on fine-tuning the software and could introduce the missing features in a future update, but nothing has been confirmed yet. Aside from this, the One UI 7 beta doesn't introduce many exclusive changes for the Fold 6 and Flip 6. The overall experience is similar to what's available on other Samsung devices running the same update. However, some of the Galaxy AI features that launched with the Galaxy S25 series are missing from this beta version for the foldables. It's clear that Samsung is continuing to refine its software for different device categories. Seeing foldable phones receive updates alongside flagship models is a good sign, but it's still unclear why some features work better on certain devices than others. For those who have been waiting for One UI 7 on their foldable phones, this update brings a small but important improvement. The Now bar is finally working the way it should, and hopefully, Samsung will address the inconsistencies across other models soon. If you want to stay updated on future software changes, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel.